there's this narrative that being an actor is just hard. It's a slog. You got to be willing to endure it if you want the positive aspects of it, right? Have you ever heard people say, don't be an actor if there's anything else you can do, right? I disagree. I think that once we come to terms with the parts of this industry that can be challenging, like the uncertainty and the low ratio of bookings to auditions, it's not necessarily hard, it's just the way it is. And I get that there are some people who are enduring systemic disadvantages. I'm a Black woman, like, I get it. That's not what I'm talking about here. But I think it's a trap to assume that our careers are going to be hard. And I want to encourage you to think about it a little bit differently. Part of the reason why so many of us will roll our eyes at nepotism in the entertainment industry is because it feels unfair, right? Like, why does that girl have it easy? Her dad's a director. I don't have that, right? What I'm suggesting here is that you stay open to the ways that you do have it easy. When we do that, we can cultivate more ease in our lives and in our acting careers, not less. It's really easy for you maybe to memorize your lines. Or maybe you're in a category that's in really high demand right now. Or maybe you have a great source of income that allows you to invest in your career. Or maybe technology comes really easily to you. This is kind of similar to a gratitude practice. When we're conscious of ease, we can cultivate more ease. So I know that I have fallen into this trap of downplaying things that are easy for me, right? So I'll tell you this quick story. A month ago, I was offered a role on an Apple TV Plus show, right? And because I didn't have to go through this long audition process and like multiple stages of auditions and all that stuff, I found myself downplaying this role. I was like, oh, it's just this, right? Why do we do that to ourselves? So the next time you tell someone you're an actor and they give you this look of sympathy and say, oh, that must be so hard, you can think about it a different way, right? You can say, I'm sorry, but I actually think your career looks pretty hard because I wouldn't want to sit in a cubicle all day and be on Excel. Just kidding. You don't have to say that, but you can think about it a little differently for yourself, right? In our membership, The Table, we are always talking about ways to cultivate ease and to just enjoy our careers a little bit more, because we can do that and because you deserve it.